I can shut it down, and I can start it by pressing 2. And now let's start tuning to the station. And here we have it.
Actually quite a fast printer. So
and this is it. The only thing that let me stop this. The only thing, there are a few things that I have not really had time to fix. These are the display. Now normally I would get the frequency 107.8 on the display. I haven't managed to fix this. I have managed to fix the mute button, but apart from that, the others, you can select tape 1, tape 2, phono, other stations, but of course you don't know what you're listening to because there are no frequency buttons, and that's it.